guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Yalon, and in today's video I'm going to be giving you guys a back to school in-depth hygiene routine for when I'm in the shower. Now this is pretty much the things I like to follow to keep myself nice, smelling good, soft, and this will be perfect for my high schoolers. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button, turn on my post notifications so you are aware of when I post, and let's get into it. Now, I'm not in high school anymore, but some of these things I wish I was incorporating when I was in high school, because I would have smelled even better and I would have looked even better for school. So it's good to get like a more mature adult perspective, because it helps you out to avoid things that you can't avoid necessarily as a teenager. So let's get into this. One of the things I really like to do for my skin to be nice and smooth and soft for school and things like that is I like to exfoliate. Exfoliating is important. A lot of people don't know this in high school, but I feel like more high schoolers are finally learning this. Exfoliating your skin helps to remove dead skin cells, so it helps reveal nice, smooth skin. So the one I like to use is actually from Shea Moisture. They're all organic, but this is their raw shea butter ground coffee scrub, and it says that it's restoring. I love this stuff because it's super moisturizing. So it's not one of those exfoliators that are going to leave your skin feeling nasty and dry. It's actually going to leave it feeling really moisturized, and your skin is just going to be super soft, because especially when you go back in the summertime, you might be wearing like, if you don't have dress code, you might be in like, you know, skirts, shorts. You want your skin to look nice and smooth and soft, and this is going to help with that because it helps remove that layer of dead skin, and it also helps for your skin to be soft. So using a good exfoliant is nice. I like to use one at least once a week, and it's a game changer. Your skin is going to thank you. It's going to be nice and soft. When I'm in the shower using a body wash, lately I've been loving this one. It's from Shea Moisture as well, and this is their coconut and cactus water quench and refresh body wash, and this is targeted towards dehydrated skin, but it's going to make your skin so moisturized. It smells tropical, so it leaves you smelling good. I like a good body wash and scents that leave you smelling good, and I notice my high schoolers, you guys tend to really love fruity smells and stuff that smells really good. So this is perfect for that, and yeah, it smells amazing. Okay, and then I know a lot of girls in high school, they always wonder like what to use further down their area. So I like to use Vagisil. I didn't start using like an actual intimate wash until I got to college, because I didn't really know about them, but now I like to use the Vagisil 24-hour odor protection. And this one's basically an odor block. It helps stop odor before it starts. It's triple odor protection, gentle on skin, tough on odor, and hypoallergenic. It does have like this very light scent to it, so it's not overly scented, because scents can tend to be bad for our vagina. But this one is pH balanced and clinically tested. I actually really like this one. I feel like it helps with odor a little bit more than like Summer's Eve. I used to use Summer's Eve all the time, but since using this one, I feel like it helps a bit more, and it just overall cleans the area, but it also leaves it smelling clean and dry. My next thing is if I'm shaving in the shower. So I like to use my Gillette Venus. This is just the Olay Vanilla Cashmere. It leaves my skin super soft, and I'm able to get a nice close shave. Now when I'm shaving, I don't use anything fancy. I just use these dollar razors that I get at the 99-cent store. This is the Relay Shave 6-blade, and I like to get a 6-blade as opposed to using like a 3-blade razor, because I have more of a coarser texture of hair, and I just find that this gets a nice close clean shave, and it grabs onto more hairs because it has 6 blades, and it just gets everything nice and smooth. So I use this for my underarms, my legs, and yeah, it works pretty good, and I like to use it along with my Venus shaving cream. Now for my feet, because if you're at school and you like to wear sandals or anything like that, your feet are going to be out. You do not want to have dry, crusty feet. So one of my favorite combos is to actually take this scrub and take a pumice, and I scrub my feet. I just literally take the scrub, apply it onto my feet, and then I just scrub in circular motions with my pumice, and it helps to really just take off any dead skin, and it leaves your feet super soft. So, and I got one of these from the Dollar Tree as well. Just buy one of these and it helps with your feet so much, you guys. You want to have nice smooth feet and it looks good, you know. You don't have no dry crusty feet. That's nasty. And then lastly, for when I'm actually in the shower and I am using my body wash and things like that, I like to use one of these. I forgot exactly what it's called. I think it's called a loofah, but I find that it helps a lot with getting me cleaner because I just apply water, I put my body wash all over, massage it in, and then I just rub it all over my body. And that way the soap is really helping to get all over, and also because of the material of it, it's really cleansing and it helps to clean your skin a bit better. So I've always loved using these, and I do not like using bar soap because, I don't know, I just find that body wash is easier for me, like how it comes out, and then also using it with my loofah, it just makes everything 10 times easier. And then when I get out of the shower, I have a few things I like to do. So I do like to put on deodorant. Now usually I do not use this one. Mine is coming in the mail. I like to use Certain Dry antiperspirant roll-on. Now that you only apply it once a day. You only apply it at nighttime once you get out the shower, and it's supposed to last you 72 hours. Basically, it helps you to stop sweating and not to smell musty, which is important in high school. Your hygiene is your body is going through so many changes, and your odor might be all over the place. So those things help to control it. This swab is actually pretty good though. If you do like to use deodorant, I got it for only $1. It's their 24-hour protection, and I always get it in the powder scent. I find that powder smells more clean. I don't like to get it in those fruity scents because when you do start to sweat, it's like a mix of something sweet and funky. Powder helps to still mask the smell better. So I do like this one, but if you ever see the Certain Dry roll-on antiperspirant, I love that stuff. It helps a lot when you're sweating, because when I was in high school, I would wear certain shirts. I don't do this no more just because of what I used to experience, but I would wear certain shirts. They would be like too thin, and I would sweat, and you would just see sweat all underneath my arm. Don't be that student. I used to have sweat under my arms, and it just looked so bad. So I stopped wearing those little cheap $3.50 Forever 21 shirts. I don't even think they make them anymore because they were terrible. But I used to wear those, and the sweat was disgusting, and embarrassing. The next thing I like to do is when I get out the shower, I like to spray on a body spray. I do not use perfume at nighttime because I feel like it's a waste. I like to just use a nice body fragrance. And this is the Coconut Passion from Victoria's Secret. It smells so good. I really love this one. It's a nice sweet scent, but it's not too overpowering, and I find like this will be good just to take with you to school if you just want to spritz up during the day, because I know high school girls love to do that. Like when I have to take my students to the restroom, the bathroom always smells like body spray. It smells like Bath & Body Works. It smells like Victoria's Secret. I know y'all love spraying on your little scents, so Coconut Passion is a great one. And then also for the next morning, like when I'm actually getting ready, I do like to put on an actual perfume, and the perfume I'm loving currently is Daisy Love by Marc Jacobs. It smells so good. It's a light floral scent, so it's not too sweet. It's just like a light sweetness and more like floral, and it smells amazing. So yeah, and then also in the morning I will apply a little bit more deodorant just to make sure I'm fresh, and then I'm pretty much good to go. And if you want, you can get like some intimate wipes, or you can get flushable wipes and just wipe to clean yourself up real quick, because if you shower at nighttime, usually you don't really need to shower in the morning for school. But if you're a morning shower person, then you can go ahead and continue with this routine that I just showed you. But if you're a nighttime shower person like I am, then you can just freshen up a little bit in the morning and then head out about your day. So yeah guys, that's all for my hygiene routine. I hope this was informative for you guys and it helps to keep you smelling good. I did not show a lotion because I actually do not like putting on lotion. I don't know what it is about me. I'm not a huge lotion person, but when I do force myself to put on lotion, it is the same one from this line. They have a body lotion and it's actually really moisturizing. I'll typically put on lotion when I'm about to leave the house. I won't put it on at nighttime, even though I should. If I do put lotion on at nighttime, it's only on my feet to keep them nice and soft, because if I don't, my feet get really rough. Or I use the lotion from this line, which is the raw shea butter one, and it's very thick and it feels amazing. So after I do my little foot scrub thing, I like to go in with the lotion, and it's very hydrating for your skin. But other than that, that is all I use for my hygiene routine. I hope you guys have found this helpful and informative. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button, turn on my post notifications so you are aware of when I post, and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye guys.